So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can extract all Instagram hashtags using using a website from a URL of just any of the image you want or any of the post you want. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for imagine.com. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply go to this website, and here you have to wait for some time to for the site to respond, and just simply skip this ad.
Will my in-
If a ad appears right in front of you, just wait for it to respond. Now here you have to write the username that you want to extract the details, and once you write the username, just simply hit enter, and you're gonna find the details of the pages that are from that username, and you can extract the details of from that username very easily. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.